Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Storm, basshead batty, and I got two V2 Rage XL15s on a NEP 6K wired at half ohm. Finally.
So, whoa, this is a big amp. Okay, is there anything underneath of it, or is just that one?
I got 3 AG embedders underneath it.
Okay.
I'll actually open up the hatch for you so you can see what the lights on.
Yeah, that would make it easier.
Yeah,
nice. You know, is there a way I can see behind the seats here? Kind of have the seats down to see how it looks.
It's a little messy.
Okay, there we go.
Don't mind that.
It's all good. Looks really good. Who built the box?
V2.
Okay.
Yep, V2 audio, Andrew showers, and then
Nice.
I got 3 AGMs.
Okay.
I went through like 3 cock boxes because I'm still
It's all right.
on my equipment.
Looks good. I like it.
Thank you.
So, do you know tuning and SPL at all? Have you done any kind of tests on it?
No, I'm actually fixing a meter in just a little while.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll let you know. I'll message Jessica about it.
Yes, ma'am.
That way you can put it on the video.
Very nice. What are these subs rated at?
2,500 to 5,000.
Okay.
Yep.
Got it. All right. You have a... Yep.
Nice meeting you.
You too. Thank you.
Can't keep my lights pinned up. They keep coming down.
They'll
so
fall
I
down.
apologize.
You're good.
Things that we wished they never came true.
Whichever bitch wanna come get it, I got it, I'm giving out work, I'm apply. These bitches talking that shit and they saying my name and I can't be just letting it fly. They gotta show, they gotta tweet, they gotta go get they pump up for free. Hip hop, broke shit, bitch, you broke it, hey, when I start getting money, I'ma tell you the truth. I'm the hoes that got they ass good loot. Niggas wanna put it in a loop. Take it to the beat, I'ma take it to the block. Take it to the moon, let us start a pot and I'ma get a bitch. Bitch, I'm the one you ain't even the 20. Never been with. I'm the type of bitch jealous hoes can't hang with. Next to the head of the bed, cause I'm flexible. He tryna come with that dick in my schedule. Back cross all on my neck like a baby rubber. Boy, stop liking at my face where you get in trouble. I don't need a team or a bitch speaking for me. When y'all hoes step, gotta call y'all sorority. Hollywood shit, cause I'm with all the action. Ain't you boyfriend, you can stop all the acting. If you coming for me, then you need to come hard. Shaking, I ain't doing my I'm the motherfucking pimp from a real bitch. Ran to the trick that is only out here by now. Bitches is popping, is popping with the shit they be tweeting. They gotta be smart. Every nigga favorite pussy get played with. I'm the type of bitch jealous hoes can't hate with. Next to the head of the bed, cause I'm flexible. He tryna come with that dick in my schedule. Back cross all on my neck like a baby rubber. Boy, stop liking at my face where you get in trouble. I don't need a team or a bitch speaking for me. When y'all hoes step, gotta call y'all sorority. Hollywood shit, cause I'm with all the action. Ain't you boyfriend, you can stop all the acting. If you coming for me, then you need to come home.
I had to get some back flex too, so.
Okay, I
You're good.
appreciate it. I appreciate all the video that you released.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. I don't want to blow them today.
Yeah, don't blow them.